on here. Nice song. From where are you?
What's up, man?
What's up? From where are you?
Hey, where am I from?
Yes,
I'm from the States, bro.
United States.
Yeah, United States. Where
Okay,
you from?
India.
India.
Yeah.
Nice. How's it been? What you
Is it
do?
your dog?
Huh.
Wow. What's the name of his?
This is my dog,
What's the name? What's the name of your dog?
Misty.
Your dog's name?
Misty.
Okay.
Yeah,
What's the breed of it?
she's she's like a
Labrador or Rottweiler? No, Rottweiler.
no right no.
Doberman. Doberman. Yeah.
She's like a German Shepherd mutt type of shit.
It looks like European Doberman side. Like,
A Doberman?
yeah, it's long. Looks like that.
No,
It's German Shepherd.
she's a mutt. She's a German Shepherd mutt.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You got any pets?
What? No, no. I want to buy a golden retriever. I'm thinking of buying it.
Oh, you want a golden retriever?
Yeah.
Retrievers are fucking badass. I used to have a I used to have a black Labrador.
Okay.
I used to have a black lab. Well, no, golden retrievers are kind of different from
Different. They are
Labradors.
playful and enjoyable type.
I used to have black Labrador.
Labradors are smart, right? They are smart enough, I think.
They are no, they are
They follow
fucking
your
smart.
commands and all that stuff. They follow your commands, right? I think.
The either golden retriever, black Labradors, either all Labradors are fucking smart as fuck.
Yeah.
They're cool. What do you want, Misty? Nice. Nice.
Nice, nice. So pretty.
I don't know what she's wearing. She's bugging me.
Yes?
Hmm. She's sleeping though. You go lay down. Go lay down. Lay down. Oh, I think I know she's like. Yeah, she's bugging. She's not really my dog. She's my brother's dog, honestly. But
Okay, okay.
yeah.
What do you
How
do?
old are you?
I'm 22.
You 22?
Yes.
How old do you think I am?
It's like 21 or something like.
Well, you're not close, but I'm in my 20s.
20s. Okay.
20.
Nice. Looks
Guess
21 or something like it's near.
I'm 27.
Okay.
Yeah, do I not look 27?
You don't look because of beard. Because of beard, you don't look 27. Like,
The music burning down, bro. There's no music. What are you doing, bro? That's what Dad said. Keep the music down, bro. No music, bro. Sorry about that. I'm living with my parents.
okay.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to speak to you because
What's up with it, bro?
What's up?
Oh,
Nice. From where are you?
Australia. You heard of it?
Australia, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Where are you from, bro?
India.
Oh, yeah.
India, yeah. What do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
I work at like a. Do you mean for work?
Okay. What?
Yeah. I play basketball.
Okay, okay.
What about you, man?
Yeah.
Hi, bro. Yeah, man.
Oh, hello.
What's up?
What's up? From where are you? Are you from where?
Where do you think I'm from?
Like United States or something like
Hmm?
United States? US, US,
No, no, England.
England. Okay.